Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. So today I am going to show you how to set up the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. Right now I use the iPhone 10 XS Max to shoot my YouTube videos, and my mom is going to be helping me shoot my videos, so she needed a new phone. So I am setting it up and I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So this is inside the box. It comes with a cord, headphones, and a new plug. They don't have the same type of USB plug. And then we're going to take off the screen protector. And then plug in the chargers to get the phone on. And then there's our welcome screen. And then you want to select your language and then your country or region. And then there's a quick start or set up manually. I like to set up manually. And then you want to connect to your Wi-Fi network. And then give it a few minutes to activate. And then read through the data and privacy. Then you can set up your Face ID or you can set it up later. And then create a passcode to protect your phone. And then you will need to set up an Apple ID. It will ask you some questions and then set up a new ID for you. Or you can choose to use your old one if you want to transfer your old information from your old phone over. That makes everything a lot easier, but it takes up a lot of your space also if you have a lot of photos. And they have express settings. I like to install my updates manually. And location services, I normally leave those off unless I'm using an app that needs it, like Google Maps, then I'll turn it on. Otherwise, I'll keep it off. And then Siri, you can set that up later. And then there's a screen time option that shows you how much you're using your phone. And then you can set the color display. And you have an option of a lighter screen or a darker screen for nighttime, and then a zoomed appearance for your text or standard. And then there's a few quick tips that it shows you. How to quickly access controls, and then a welcome to the iPhone, and then you just click the button on the right to turn it on. After you enter your passcode, for some reason there was a text message there. It was really weird. It's a new number. So then this is the photos, Apple Music, and then we're going to be installing this glass protector next. From Black Web. This is that text from Denny's. It's so weird. So I like this screen protector because it's strong and it's easy to install. So first we're going to open up the package and then place our phone on the tray. Wipe down the screen with the screen cleaner wipe, the alcohol wipe. And then you take the microfiber and wipe off all the dust. And then you take the little sticky blue sheet and pick up any remaining dust. And then you want to peel the plastic piece off of the little plastic tray. Then you'll have like a double-sided sheet of hard plastic and then like a little sticker plastic that you'll peel off. I just like to do one more wipe down, and then I kind of go over it to kind of size it out without pressing it down, but I want to line it up to where it looks even. And once I'm sure it's even, then I will press down on the top and push down, and then wipe it off to get the air bubbles out. And then we're going to put it in a case now for extra protection for when it drops. This one we ordered online. This was the second case. This one has like a rubber surrounding, which is a little bit more protective than the standard plastic one. And to get it open, you just have to like bend the corner a little bit. And then there's a new one. And then you also want to remember to